At one point, we have tried cooking sausages and they have turned out dry, wrinkled, and not delicious. I'm super excited because today I'll be showing you the perfect way to cook sausages at the comfort of your home, and they're going to turn out juicy and very delicious. For the recipe, you'll need some sausages, of course. So the first step is going to be boiling the sausages. So you're going to place a pot over medium flame and add in water. This is around 3 cups of water. Cover and let the pot come to a boil. Once your water has come to a boil, you're going to put out the flames. Place in your sausages. And this step is very crucial because we are blanching the sausages for around 1 to 2 minutes. So it's going to keep the sausages very juicy. And once you fry, they're not going to turn out dry. Make sure the sausages are fully immersed in the water. When done blanching your sausages, they'll be cooked on the inside and looking very plump. So you're going to use a skimmer and remove the sausages from the water. If you boil your sausages, the casing is going to rip and then you'll be left with caseless sausages. You're going to wait for around a minute so that the excess moisture can escape and the sausages can cool a little bit. Meanwhile, you're going to place a frying pan over medium flame and add in cooking oil to deep fry your sausages. To check if the cooking oil is ready, you're going to insert a skewer. Once you notice small bubbling, the oil is ready. If you notice roughly bubbling bubbles, the oil is too hot. So you're going to reduce the flames and let the oil cool a little bit before frying your sausages. Next, you're going to carefully place in your sausages into the cooking oil. Fry for around a minute, and using a skimmer you're going to flip the sausages so that they can cook on all sides. Don't overcook your sausages because the casing is going to rip apart. So once ready and looking very gorgeous, just like this, you're going to transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel. Plump is the word for this recipe, and juiciness is also another word because the sausages have turned out amazing. It's been around 5 minutes. The sausages have been sitting on the plate and they're still very plump and looking very delicious and juicy. Just check this out. When you press on the sausages, you'll notice that they're super juicy. That means that you're going to enjoy your breakfast or brunch.